Hello everyone and welcome to another episode on Automotive Alchemy. On today's episode, I just received something really cool and really exciting in this package. Want to guess what it is? Well, keep watching and you'll see. So this is a truck bed liner or truck bed mat from Lasfit. I just want to say a huge shout out to Lasfit who sent me this bed mat for review. Even better yet, I have become a Lasfit affiliate, which is great news for you guys watching because later on in this video, I will provide you with a link and a discount code which will give you a whopping 15% off the purchase of this bed mat.
Amazing.
So stay tuned for that. Also, you guys, if you're looking at this video right now, I need you to do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. An overwhelming majority of the viewers on this channel and actually subscribers, check that out right here. So it would mean the world to us if you subscribe. It helps support us and motivate us, and so we can keep creating cool content for you guys. Also, there is a benefit to you as well because now I'm an affiliate with Lasfit. If you subscribe, you'll see when I post new videos and you'll get access to the discount code and the discount links that I'll be sharing later on in this video. So you're helping me and then I'm helping you back and everyone is happy. So please do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys, you're the best. Let's go. So let's open it up and check it out. You might be wondering why a bed mat comes folded up in a box this small for an entire pickup truck tray. This is from my Tacoma, so it's a 5-foot tray. Believe it or not, this bed mat fits that 5-foot tray. Now, the reason why it's folded up is because when it's folded up in quarters like this, it's a smaller box, so shipping is cheaper. So let's take this thing out. And this is it. This is the bed mat, all folded up. Now, obviously you need to unfold it. So the process of unfolding is as follows. You open it up, like so. Okay, so this is how it looks folded out. As you can see, it is definitely going to fit a full 5-foot bed. But there are a little bit of waves here, wavy spots, it's bulging here and here, but that's all right. What you need to do is what I'm doing right now. Find a nice sunny area that's warm, and you need to leave it out here for a couple hours, hour or two, maybe 3. Now, what's happening here is that it's taking the heat and the sunlight, and it's warming up, and it's going to reform its nice shape. Now, if you don't have a nice sunny day like I do, the other thing you can do is take some hot water, not boiling hot, and pour that water on the bed mat itself. You might have to do it a couple of times because you want to make sure you cover the bed mat nice and well and let it absorb that heat from the water. Now, the other thing which I'm going to do to accelerate this process to flatten it out is I'm going to add some weights to it. I'm going to add the heavier weights to the places which are bulging the most, just like here in the center. And then the lighter weights I'll put or more in the places which are less deformed. You want to also make sure and put weights on the corners itself because you want the corners to stay down, but you want to make sure don't put weights on this ridge itself. The bed mat is designed with this ridge in place, so you don't want to put any weight on because then that will flatten down this ridge and you don't want that. This is an integral part of the bed mat, which is one of the reasons why this bed mat is so good as it is. Okay, so the weights are on. I'm going to leave this here to take all that weight, take all this heat, take all this sunlight, and get back into its proper shape. I've had the bed liner absorbing all that heat and sunlight for the last 3 hours. And as you can see, it came out amazing. It's fully formed into its proper shape and it's straight as an arrow. So let's get to installing this. So installation is going to be very, very straightforward. If you have an existing bed liner like I do, just pull it out. If your bed is dirty, give it a sweep. My bed looks pretty clean, so I'm just going to install it on. If yours is dirty, sweep it out, vacuum it. If it's wet, wipe it down, make sure it's dry. And to install, just put the Lasfit bed liner in and slide it in. Simple as that.
To me, that's beautiful.
Just look how gorgeous this bed mat fits inside this tray. It fits like a glove. Now, one of the reasons why you want to have a bed mat is to protect your tray itself. Now, this is especially important in tacomas because tacomas have a composite bed and not a steel bed. But one of the more important reasons, or maybe the primary reason, is to help keep objects stable in your bed while you're driving. Now, these Lasfit bed liners have anti-slip properties which help stabilize objects when you put them inside your tray. This bed mat is made from heavy-duty TPE, which makes it anti-scratch, waterproof, and anti-slip, as we demonstrated just now. It provides all-weather protection capable of withstanding temperatures from minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it a perfect bed mat from east to west coast. All of these properties make it very durable, but also free from harmful chemicals like BPA, latex, and PVC. So all in all, this bed mat is an improvement over the OEM one. So let's talk about why this bed mat is superior. Firstly, cost. The OEM bed mat sells for $157 before shipping and taxes. The Lasfit bed mat, this one, retails for $129. But if you use this link below here, as well as this code over here, you will get a whopping 15% off the purchase of your bed mat for your Tacoma, which means you would pay way less than the OEM bed mat.
Damn!
The OEM Toyota bed mat is made of this thick rubber compound, which makes it heavy. This weighs 32 pounds, whereas the Lasfit bed mat weighs 14 pounds. That means the Lasfit bed mat is less than half the weight of the OEM bed mat, which I think is absolutely crazy, considering the Lasfit one provides the same amount, if not more, protection than the OEM one. The other problem with this is that because it's made of this thick rubber compound, it makes it less flexible than the Lasfit one. This weight and flexibility is important, especially when it comes to cleaning and removing debris from the bed mat, which I'll demonstrate shortly. Possibly the most significant and important reason the Lasfit bed mat is better than the OEM one is due to its fitment. Lasfit uses 3D scanning technology to scan the bed and then design the bed mat such that it fits perfectly inside the bed. Notice that there are these ridges in the bed mat. These ridges also exist in the bed itself. Due to that 3D scanning technology, the bed mat is contoured perfectly to fit over these ridges, whereas the OEM one doesn't. It also covers the D-rings, which is important because it protects it from the elements. But the bed mat is flexible enough that if you do need to use the D-rings, you can just fold up this corner here, hook your ratchet strap into the D-rings, and you'll be fine. When you finish, pull it out and the bed mat realigns itself perfectly to cover it once again. The OEM bed mat has these cutouts for the D-rings. However, that increases the chance of the D-rings getting damaged while you're loading or offloading things. Also, if you don't have a tray cover like I do, it means that the D-rings are exposed to the elements, which means they can get to rust. The other thing is that with these exposed D-rings, it means that you can also potentially get damaged if you're on top inside the tray and you're trying to load something. This can snag your foot, or this can hurt you if you're not wearing the right footwear. But even more of a major concern is the fact that these open cutouts here mean that dust and dirt and debris can get under the bed mat and get lodged between the bed mat and the bed itself. As you can see, the OEM Toyota bed mat ends right at the walls of the bed itself. It ends right here. It doesn't go up or anything like that. I'll show you why this becomes an issue. Say you're off-roading, going through the dunes, hitting some whoops, or maybe just going through a muddy patch or something. and you have those big wide tires and those big off-road tires, and you're kicking up mud, and maybe you're with a buddy and he's kicking up mud and dust and stuff. This is what'll happen, right? It's getting all in your bed, everywhere. Look at that. Now, imagine you've come back from your off-road fun trip and you don't have time to clean up your bed, and you have to transport a 5-gallon jug of water. And now, let's say for some reason, the car breaks or falls off, and you're taking a corner and that jug falls over. I literally had this happen to me 2 weeks ago. Oh no! Now look what happened. You have that sand and the water, which just mixed, and now it looks like mud. It's all over your bed mat. But because it doesn't go up the side, that water and that mud is getting through these side gaps here and under your bed. Let's see how this looks. Now, the way to clean this is you want to minimize any sort of fallout, right? But because this is made of this thick rubber material, it makes it difficult to fold properly and more difficult to pull out because it's so heavy. And as you can see, we have water and mud all alongside the edges here and there as well. And we also got some water and mud as we were pulling it out of the tree. Compared to the OEM bed liner, this Lasfit bed liner has these vertical edges coming up the side all the way along the side here and also at the front of the mat as well. If we had the same scenario with the dust, and the water bottle, whose cap broke off or got removed and then falls over, you can see this edge prevents that water from spilling off to the side and through that gap, which keeps it all within here. And these edges go pretty high up, so I could throw a bunch more water inside here. Let's see. You can see because of these high edges that's on this bed mat, it keeps all that debris and the water contained. Now, to clean this mess, all you have to do is fold the bed mat like a taco, like so, and slowly just pull everything out, like so. And then you just want to let it drop down, or if you have a friend or somebody, they can help you lift it out. But it makes that cleanup so much more of a breeze. Now, this is where that lighter weight and flexibility comes into play. It's simple. And compared to the OEM one, you can see we have way less of a mess to clean up, way less dust and way less water in there. Due to the material and waterproofing properties of the bed mat, cleaning it is a simple, super easy process. All in all, I highly recommend this Lasfit bed mat. It is a must-have for any Toyota Tacoma owner, and you absolutely cannot go wrong with purchasing it. Remember to use the combination of this link here as well as this discount code automotivealchemy 15, and you get a 15% off the purchase of your Lasfit bed liner for your Tacoma. As always, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, drive hard but drive safe.